नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus News Channel, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nainadiksha in many cities, many countries around the world. Cities sitting with us: Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai; Simi Valley, California; Toronto, Kailasam; St. Louis, Tirumala; Los Angeles, Nityananda University, Los Angeles; Varanasi; San Jose, Madurai; Charlotte, Srisailam; Seattle, Chidambaram; St. Louis, Tirumala; Toronto, Kailasam; Simi Valley, California; Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai; Varanasi; Singapore, Singapuram; Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad; Nityananda Nagar, Tiruvannamalai; Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi; Nityananda University, Los Angeles; Nityananda University, Paris; Ohio, Prayag; Toronto, Kailasam; San Jose, Madurai; Hong Kong, Sirgari; Dakota, Dunes; Houston, Kalahasti; Guadalupe, Rameshwaram; Hyderabad, Gupta Kashi; Jorpati, Nepal; London, Kashi; Dubai, Vaidyanatham; High Point, North Carolina; Coimbatore, Youth Sabha; Coimbatore, Dhyanapitham; and Auckland, New Zealand; Port Washington, New York; High Point, North Carolina; Houston, Kalahasti; Dakota, Dunes; Hong Kong, Sirgari; London, Kashi; Oman, Sivagangai; Abu Dhabi; Philadelphia; Chitlapakkam, Chennai; Scottsdale, Arizona; Warrington, UK. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I'll expand on getting comfortable with completion. Listen. Still, I am going to take 2 more days for you guys to lead you guys into completion, because still you need to have a little more time, energy, understanding about all your incompletions. But before that, I wanted to share this very important idea with you: getting comfortable with completion. Let me expand on this truth: getting comfortable with completion. Listen. How the space of completion feels, how your everyday activity from that space is so enchanting. Listen, enchanting. That's a word I'll use. Enchanting. Please understand. When you get comfortable with the space of completion, simply anybody who sees you will be enchanted by you, because you are closer to them than their own soul. Please understand. Everyone loves their soul. Because of the space of completion the soul gives, the space of the completion experience the soul provides. If you enchant people, the enchanting is done so many ways. If you have a beautiful body, people can be enchanted. Or you have amazing, entertaining habit, attitude, like telling jokes or the great ideas about life, or music, dance, this also can be entertaining. But all that is only a depreciation asset. Your beauty cannot enchant people for a long time. It's a depreciation asset. Your singing ability or your knowledge, your wit, intelligence, maybe that can be appreciation asset, but that also only limited to one life. But if you carry the space of completion, it is actually exponentially appreciating asset. You will be the source of completion for thousands of people. You will just be enchanting. Please understand, that enchanting will be like a Krishna's enchanting, Mahadeva's enchanting. Even in Krishna's case, only the Gopas and Gopikas were enchanted. In Mahadeva's case, Bhuta, Preta, Pichacha, whatever exists around, all of the existence was enchanted. Now let me give you exact technique of how to get comfortable with completion. Listen, you need to spend few days on it, only then you will get the knack. It is not a separate action, it is a simple decision. It is not a separate action, it's a simple decision. Listen, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad beautifully says, Tat etat preyah putrat preyo vittat preyo nyasmat sarvasmat antarattaram yat ayam atma. The soul, self is dearer to oneself than his most beloved son, wealth and anything and everything else. Listen, that is why if you fall into the river with your money suitcase and your son, you first save yourself. Then only think of your son or your suitcase bag, whatever. Because if you are there, you can have money and one more son. Anyhow, listen, getting comfortable with your completion. Whole day, constantly try to be in the space of completion. Whenever agitation happens, incompletion happens, take few minutes, go to the bathroom, lock yourself and do completion and come out. No one will tell you anything. Why? When you want to go to bathroom, you run to the restroom. So decide getting comfortable with completion will remove the layers and layers of thinking which is away from the reality. Please understand. Many times you can see in your life, If you are doing some work, suddenly when the layers of thinking engulfs you, you are removed from reality. After a few minutes you wake up, oh, where I am. Especially when you are working on the computer, cooking, sitting in the CEO chair of the office, being moved away from the reality due to incompletion. That should be completely completed. First 2-3 days if you try, you will see all the restlessness completely gets settled. You will start feeling very comfortable with your space of completion. And not only that, you will get the taste of how in the space of completion itself you can operate. You can walk, talk, work, think, do everything. How the knowledge to operate the body and mind from the space of completion gets awakened, you can see. Please listen. Operating from the space of completion means you getting very comfortable in your day-to-day life with completion. Actually, I wanted the youth of this country to learn that only. If the youth of this country learns to live in the space of completion, the whole country will be blessed. That is why today we are organizing the Youth Sabha in Coimbatore Dhyanapeetham. I welcome all the youths in the Coimbatore Dhyanapeetham to learn the process of completion and get comfortable with it. It is completion. The process of completion, the knowledge of completion. Process of completion, the knowledge of completion. That makes you a man. That makes you a person. Understand, we will conquer the world by being the source of completion to the world. Never by wealth nor by terrorism. Understand, neither by conversion nor by terrorism. We will be unique and successful by being the source of completion for the whole universe. I myself personally neither believe in conversion nor believe in terrorism. Terrorism is the violent conversion. Conversion is the psychological terrorism. Psychological terrorism is conversion. Physical conversion is terrorism. That's all. I do not believe in both. I wanted the youth of this country to be the source of completion for the whole world. When you go to all over the world for a job, accept job, work, nothing wrong, great, but carry the signs of completion and be a source of completion for millions of people. Understand, English is not a language, it's a culture. Completion is not just a technique, it is a culture. It's a heritage. English is not just a language. If you pick up that language, your accent, your dress, everything will become different. Same way, completion is not just a technique, it's a heritage, a great cultural heritage. Once you pick it up, the way you sit, the way you walk, the whole thing will be different. The way you talk, walk, whole thing will be different. Getting comfortable with the space of completion means trying whole day to be in the space of completion, even when you are reading, writing, working, talking, planning, using your time or misusing your time or abusing your time, whatever you may be doing, getting more and more comfortable, getting more and more comfortable with your completion. Getting more and more comfortable with the space of completion is all we need. That's all we want. Understand? So today, this is the only thing I wanted to share with you all. Spend more and more time to get comfortable with the space of completion. Because getting comfortable with the space of completion is like a pilot drill. Whenever we drill in an object, the pilot drilling will be done, means they will just for few millimeter, they will try to put the drill bit into that object and take it out. It's called pilot drilling, to see whether the drill bit goes straight into the object. Is the drill bit guided properly into the object? For that, these are few lessons of engineering once in a while I remember. This getting comfortable with the space of completion is like a pilot drilling. Once you get little comfortable with the space of completion, then burning all your incompletions and permanently establishing you in the space of completion is my job. It's easy for me. Very easy. See, now because you are so comfortable with incompletion and impossibility, I am not able to move you out of it. You don't even know why you should move out of it. If I just make you understand the space of completion and little comfortable with the space of completion, then burning all your incompletions and establishing you in the space of completion is such an easy task, such easy thing. It is like once your organs are comfortable with the diabetes, you will never be able to get out of diabetes. Please understand, you can have any disease but not diabetes. You can tolerate with any disease, but don't ever tolerate or get comfortable with the diabetes. Even heart disease is okay, blood pressure is okay, because your organs cannot get comfortable with blood pressure. But diabetes, your other organs gets comfortable, then getting out of it will be impossible. Because your intestine, your kidney, your brain, your nervous system, all of them who are not directly involved with the disease also will ask for the experience of diabetes. Getting comfortable with incompletion is just like getting comfortable with diabetes. Too dangerous. Never allow it. Do whatever it takes, get out of diabetes. Do whatever it takes, get out of incompletions. I tell you, anything is okay, not diabetes. Of course, not herpes. Do not get comfortable with incompletions. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.